If you need better lighting outside but don't want to deal with running electrical wiring everywhere, these solar floodlights are honestly a really convenient option. The brightness was one of the first things I noticed. These use 180 LED beads and they put out a really bright, cool daylight color that works well for driveways, yards, barns, patios, gardens, or darker areas around the house. What I like is that there are multiple lighting modes. Depending on how you want to use them, you can leave them on continuously at night, use motion detection modes, or set timers for different lengths of time. The motion settings are especially nice because you can choose whether the light stays dim until movement is detected or turns completely off until something triggers it. Another thing I appreciate is that the brightness levels are adjustable too, so you're not stuck with just one setting. Installation also looks a lot simpler than traditional outdoor lighting because everything is solar powered. No wiring or complicated setup, and it comes with the mounting hardware included. The build feels durable as well. The housing is designed for outdoor use and it's waterproof, so it should hold up well in different weather conditions. I also like that the solar panel, battery, and light are all combined into one design because it keeps the setup cleaner and easier to manage. And overall, these are just really practical if you want to light up larger outdoor areas without increasing your electric bill or hiring someone to run wiring. If you're looking for bright outdoor lighting with adjustable settings, motion detection, and simple solar powered installation, these are definitely worth checking out.